Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. So if you are looking high profitable coloring book niche for the audience of kids, so this video is only for you. So today I want to show you how to find KDP low content niche. So we are go to Amazon KDP marketplace and our very profitable coloring book niche is Bible coloring book for kids. So there is a only 2000 results. So this is obviously a high profitable niche, and there is a 19 review, there is a 1 review, and there is also a 64 review, there is also a 19 review, there is a 77, there is 303, 34, there is a 98, and also there is a 405. So there is also a 3815 review. So there is very highly profitable niche. So this is a book cover, and we also show some interior pages. There is interior pages also, and this is the interior pages, and there is a back cover of the book. So you can make fantastic and beautiful high quality full book cover and high quality full interior pages, and choosing profitable keyword, then you can earn more revenue from this niche. So we can check trademark and copyright also. So Bible, there is a general word, so this is copyright free and trademark free word, so don't worry. And book, then search, there is no test records were found. So this is a fully safe niche, so you can try to work this book and earn. I hope you can earn more revenue from this book. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell icon when I can share more video, more niche about KDP self publishing business. And also I show you my design. This is book cover, and there is a Bible coloring book for kids, and this design by me. I can design a few days ago for my client, and this design charge will be $25 only, and my client also Mexico. So if you need this type of book cover, then please contact with me as soon as possible, and I'll work with you a long time with a low budget, but I will deliver you high quality product. So please contact with me if you need this type of design. So thank you so much. Thank you all.